Alright, today I'm gonna show you how you must make backups in WordPress. Click on plugins and click on add new. And we will wait. Okay, once you're there, I want you to search for backup. Okay, we're gonna download Updraft Plus for the WordPress backup plugin. It's got more than 1 million installs. So I'm gonna click on activate. Okay, you can go here, trust your settings to the dashboard, but I'm gonna go to settings and to Updraft Plus backups. Okay, we're gonna create a backup right now. Select here if you want it weekly or in 4 hours or monthly. I'm gonna do monthly, and I'm gonna make one backup. You need Dropbox, so I'm gonna select Dropbox, and yeah, Dropbox, yes. Okay, save changes. Okay, now I will need to connect my Dropbox account with my WordPress plugin. I'm going to enter here my username for Dropbox. You need to have a Dropbox account. You can sign up on dropbox.com. So I'm going to sign in. And I'm going to complete the setup. Okay. Now we're gonna back up from now. So if you restore your website, it goes to the date of this day. Okay, it's loading. We will wait. This can take a while, so be patient. Gonna view the log. You don't need this, but I'm gonna check to how far it is. Okay, we are nearly done. I skipped the process in the video, but this can take up to 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. Now we have created a backup, so you can back up to the 7th, to this day, and you can restore. So that's really useful for WordPress, and drop it in your Dropbox account. So this was a quick tutorial about how you create backups in WordPress, and I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.